Work it out with TeKay Brown Taylor from Brownstone Mediation Services. Family, business, your workplace. What is conflict costing you? Don't rush to litigate, mediate. Now here's TeKay and Neil.
What can we learn about the judge shows that maybe can apply to what you're doing with mediation?
What can we learn about them? Well, the takeaway, because I use it just as I did a moment ago as a great example, because that's what popular culture individuals are accustomed to seeing and what they recognize and they can relate to, is I often use the judge shows to refer to the difference between arbitration and mediation, because it is a very process. It looks like court because you have the judge in the robe, you have the gavel, you have the individuals who are giving testimony, the witnesses, all that looks like court, real court. It's not real court, but it is a real show. But the difference is in mediation is that they both have that third party. And so that's the takeaway, is that they both have that neutral third party. But if you listen to the court TV, the credits before and after the show, it will say these parties have agreed for this third party to render a decision on their issue.
And that's arbitration.
And that's arbitration, which looks very different than mediation in my team as mediators, is we are third parties as well, but we are helping the parties get to a place to be able to make a satisfactory decision.
But they still have to agree in the long run.
They have to agree, but we don't need witnesses, we don't need evidence, we don't need all those things that are associated with a legal process. I think the other thing that I should probably call out is that even though that's arbitration on TV, that's very public, arbitration in the general sense, in the normal sense of a legal process, is often private. And so most times when you see clauses in contracts and agreements, they will have an arbitration clause. And if you pay attention to your phone, you go buy any product and you pull out that little white paper that's folded up, that has all that fine print, read it in the fine print, it likely 100% of the time will have an arbitration clause as opposed to a mediation clause.
Remember, save time, save money. Don't rush to litigate, mediate. Visit brownstonemediation.com.